Science takes a little bit longer for me to explain, and I apologize because I've been taking a while to explain everything. Um, there are groups for science. So we have the biology group, science group A, science group B, and science group C. Starting with biology, or the biology group, these are simply the students that did not take biology in eighth grade. And your science options are relatively easy, meaning you're either taking Biology 1 or you're taking Biology 1 honors. Again, understanding that honors tends to move at a slightly faster pace. There's more vocabulary with biology honors. I tend to equate biology honors with an English honors student, whereas when we get into physical sciences, we're really looking at a strong math student. So you can take biology or biology honors. Um, the way that I've set it up in the Google form, as you go through each group, I want you to let me know, that you understand um, that you are or are not a part of that group. So under biology, you're either selecting Biology 1 honors, or selecting I took and passed both semesters of biology in eighth grade. Okay, and that way I just know that you've looked at your correct group. When you get to Science Group A, those are students who are currently in the eighth grade taking biology and geometry. Most of our physical sciences require that a student is in Algebra 2 or has already taken Algebra 2 in order to be successful with the math component of physical sciences. So Science Group A will be going into Algebra 2 their freshman year at Lawrence North. Therefore, you have some physical science options. Now, I'm not going to go over all of your options, but I do want to point out a couple of things. Science Group A may take Chemistry 1 or Chemistry 1 ACP/honors. That is a college level course, a dual credit course, where the grade that you earn shows up both on your high school transcript and also on an IU transcript. That's the chemistry and honors chemistry. You may choose Physics 1 or AP Physics 1. Again, any AP class is a college level class where you sign up at the end of the course to take the AP exam. Okay, so you can take that. You also have the ability to take integrated chemistry and physics honors. That course is set up to train students who are interested in taking the ACP chemistry class or the AP physics class. So it is a strong beginning physical science class. Any of those will count towards the diploma requirement of a physical science, but that ICP or Integrated Chem and Phys honors course is specifically set up for the student who is hoping to move into the ACP chemistry or the AP physics, but they don't want to take them freshman year. Again, we're talking about what does your schedule look like freshman year already? How many intense courses do you want to take your freshman year? Are you ready for that honors or AP physical science freshman year? Are you ready for that grade to be on a college transcript? So that course is kind of set to give you a year to practice those physical sciences before taking them at the high school level. So those are your options, but you also have other options. So you could be going into Algebra 2, but decide I'm not ready to do my physical sciences yet. And you can go on ahead and take an advanced biology or biology 2 course, anatomy and physiology or zoology, an earth-based course, environmental science. Okay, so those are your options for Science Group A. Science Group B students are currently in biology and Algebra 1. So because you will be going into geometry next year, we remove the options of Chemistry 1 and Physics, but you can still take that integrated chemistry and physics honors class if you would like. And then Science Group C, if you are in biology right now and taking pre-algebra, we remove the physical sciences until you've moved in math to the geometry, and algebra 2. And again, you need the algebra 2 if you're going into chemistry and physics. So science group C students would have options that do not include the chemistry and physics. Again, with any of those, make certain that you go on ahead and click on each box, even if you're not a part of that science group, so that I can see that you knew that you were in the science group or you weren't in that science group, just to make certain. It's a little bit of overkill, if you will, but it just helps me to know that you knew which group to look at.